Hey guys, what's the secret to making great guacamole? Well, holy guacamole! The answers may be a lot easier than you think. Not only is this a delish dish, but it's heart healthy and easy to make too. Man, this combo's sure to be a home run in almost all of your recipe books. So stick around, because I'm making it up next.
Okay, we're going to start with fresh avocados. Rubbing the nub generally won't help it open any quicker, but nonetheless, I like to do it. Gently peel it apart, removing the pit, or as we should call it, the seed. Gently take away the flesh of the avocado. Remove it from the part with the skin. And you'll want to do this over the bowl you're going to continue mashing them with. Once you get all your avocados opened and the seeds removed, this one here, there you go. Nice and easy, that does it. What we're going to do next is we're going to mash these carefully. I like to use a fork myself, and I'm not looking for a smooth, creamy guacamole, but I like a little bit of chunk. Now it's time to spin the jalapeno. That's it. Removing the cap and a few slices off. We'll need those later. We're going to remove the pith and the seeds from the inside of this jalapeno, which in return is going to remove some of the heat. Finally, dicing the jalapeno is the best method I find, dumping it into another bowl besides the one the avocados are in. Then we're going to want to continue with a little bit of fresh cilantro. And I like to use about 2 tablespoons. Put those in with a jalapeno. Now this onion, well, he became a little testy, but at the end, I won. And dicing him up nice and small, we're looking for a little bit of flavor and a little bit of chunk. We're going to go ahead and put him with the cilantro and the jalapeno. Now, give it a nice, gentle toss. At this point, I want to add a little bit of lemon juice in. So I'll go ahead and squeeze this lemon. And we're going to use approximately half the lemon, which is going to yield about maybe a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of juice. And you'll see I'll use both sides of this lemon to get all the juice out of it. There's no reason to throw a perfectly good lemon in the trash. There you go. Give it another little stir. Get things mixed up. When you coat this with lemon, it actually melts in to the avocado, I believe, in a more subtle way. At this point, the little flicker there, that helps everything go smooth. Now, I'm going to go ahead and juice this lime. And by juicing this lime, I don't want it in this mix. I'm throwing it into the avocado. That's right. I like the juice of the lime directly in the avocado with a little bit of salt. And you say, why not just put them together? Well, on my tongue, I can taste the difference when the lime is with the avocado. Now I mix them together. That's right, I introduce them, and you can bet your bottom dollar that that lemon juice will hit you at a different angle. There you go. Slowly but evenly distributed with a little fresh cracked black pepper. And that's about all you need. That's it. Stir it up and nice and easy. The next thing we're going to do is get out the elevator spoon. That's right, the elevator spoon, because it goes straight up to the tasting room, which is located between my teeth and my tonsils right above my tongue. And now we fill that dish up so the rest of you can take it up to your tasting room. And we'll add those jalapenos in there with a little chip. That's it, tantalizing. And go ahead. Beautiful.
The best. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you here.
But what you won't see is this bowl of guacamole, because I guarantee you, it'll be gone. Enjoy.